Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn off motion smoothness, and it's going to be save your phone battery. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Samsung S26 Ultra and you might be noticed that your phone battery going dry very fastly, and you might be looking for how to save or different tricks to save your battery. There is a one option which is called motion smoothness. If you turn that off, it's going to be save your phone battery much. So in order to do that, you need to go in your phone settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then you will find here something say display. After click over display, you need to scroll down and then you will find here something say is motion smoothness. From here, if you decide, you can see this is by default, it is adaptive, which is get smoother animation and is called by automatically adjust your screen refresh rate up to 120 Hz, which is this the adaptive quality. If you decide the standard quality, which is say get longer battery life, by automatically adjust your screen refresh rate up to 60 Hz. If I click here apply, so from now it's going to be my motionless is going to be standard, and from now my phone going to be give more battery. So in this simple way you can easily disable smoothness or adjust smoothness in your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.